Building Microservices Architecture with Apache Kafka. Kafka integration in microservices architecture. When building a microservices architecture, Kafka plays a crucial role in enabling communication between services. By using Kafka as a message broker, microservices can communicate asynchronously, allowing for greater flexibility and resilience in the system. Distributed systems with Kafka. Kafka's distributed nature makes it well suited for building scalable architectures. By leveraging Kafka topics, which act as message queues, microservices can communicate with each other in a seamless and efficient manner. Microservices communication using Kafka. Kafka enables microservices to communicate through its streaming capabilities, allowing for the seamless transfer of data between services. Kafka producers and consumers. This producer-consumer model ensures that data can be efficiently distributed across services, enabling real-time processing and analysis of information. Kafka ecosystem and deployment options. The Kafka ecosystem offers a wide range of tools and connectors that can be used to integrate Kafka into various applications. From Kafka connectors to message brokers, the Kafka ecosystem provides the necessary components to build robust and resilient systems. Conclusion. In conclusion, Apache Kafka is a powerful tool for building microservices architectures that are scalable, reliable, and efficient.